Haaziq, how are you doing today?
I'm all right. I'm all right. How you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. I heard about your story. I know it's been a year. It's been
Yes.
a year since you've been dealing with all of this. So, can you just walk us through what happened that night in downtown Athens that led to you ending up in Athens Clark County court system and jail?
Well, everything was going well up until the night ended. So it was around like what after 2 a.m. because that's when the bars started closing down and stuff like that. So it was around 2 a.m. I thought I was going home, and then everything happened so fast. Literally stepped off the sidewalk, got yelled at, and then looked up, and I was getting picked up by 5 officers on a bike patrol in downtown Athens.
What the heck?
Dude, why? He wasn't even resisting.
He's not resisting.
No, he wasn't. He was just standing there. What the fuck?
Stop moving! Stop!
He's not resisting. You're good.
He's resisting. Why is he fighting?
He was standing there.
He's still fighting. All he's gotta do is put his hand.
You have 5 men. I think you guys are good.
He also
Oh, God, she's surprised.
He also had 5 guys.
But yeah, everything happened so fast. And I couldn't see. So I think that's another reason why, like, everything kind of happened so fast, because I was just kind of hearing everything for the most part because they knocked my glasses off my face.
Help Haaziq fight back against an unjust arrest. Haaziq faces unjust charges after a traumatic arrest. Your support can help Haaziq fight injustice and reclaim their life. Stand with Haaziq. Donate now.